Was lost when the gun was fired. Armour expert Dr. Paul Hazel.
This is a relatively modern version of what Permutter invented in 1943, and what we have here is the penetrator, which is enclosed by this boot or this sabot, which carries this penetrator up the gun barrel, and when the whole assembly leaves the gun barrel, the sabot becomes separated by the air resistance that is offered to the sabot. And it's essentially like a very fast-moving crossbow bolt.
As it sits in the breech, the sabot holds the projectile firmly in place. When the gun is fired, the assembly moves rapidly up the barrel. Almost immediately, the sabot peels away and falls to the ground. On impact, there's no explosion. The speed and density of the penetrator cuts through armour, causing complete devastation.
This is an example of a target that's been struck by a 120mm sabot round. And here we have the type of projectile that was used. And as you can see around the outside of the target, we can see quite a significant amount of plastic deformation. In other words, the material has moved apart and has been permanently deformed as the projectile penetrates.
These super-penetrating weapons inspired new